Ever wondered how top decision makers stay ahead in the fast-paced world of business and finance? Bloomberg connects a dynamic network of information, people, and ideas, delivering insights that shape the world. From the Bloomberg Terminal to Bloomberg Law, our products empower professionals with the tools they need. Our media services, including Bloomberg Markets and Bloomberg Technology, keep you informed on the latest trends. With a commitment to diversity and inclusion, Bloomberg fosters an environment where innovation thrives. Our tech initiatives and sustainability efforts are paving the way for a better future. Bloomberg's global reach ensures that no matter where you are, you have access to critical information. Our live conferences and media distribution services bring the world of business to your fingertips. Join a community that values philanthropy and is dedicated to making a positive impact. Bloomberg, connecting you to the information that matters when it matters most.